Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying requirements and opening the right menu. First, make sure your phone's system and One UI are updated. Outdated firmware can hide options. Next, open Settings and go straight to Lock Screen or Home Screen. Models differ, so check both. If you want custom typefaces beyond built-ins, install Samsung themes or Good Lock now. Once done, keep settings open and proceed to the clock or widget customization area to change the font itself. Now focus on the detailed editing steps. Tap Clock Style or long press the clock widget on the home screen to reveal font options. Some phones separate lock and home clocks. Choose a preset font to swap immediately or select Download Fonts to grab a new typeface from Galaxy Store. This lets you match readability and style. Adjust size, weight, and color sliders to balance visibility and aesthetic, and preview changes live so you know how the type reads at a glance. Finish by applying changes and checking behavior. Tap Apply or Save and return to home to confirm the clock shows the new font. If it doesn't, reboot the device to force UI refresh. If problems persist, clear the theme or clock app cache or reinstall Good Lock or the theme you used. This resolves many permission or resource conflicts. As a fallback, install a third-party clock widget that supports custom fonts. It bypasses some system limits and ensures you get the look you wanted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.